Hi, welcome back to 365 Prints. Today I'm going to talk about these little Lego flowers. So, Lego. Boy, I love Legos. I was a Lego kid. In fact, I remember the first year that I proved to myself, I'm not going to say this. I was going to talk about Santa Claus and Christmas, and I don't want to say anything I shouldn't say. So anyway, yeah, I loved Legos as a kid. I wanted to make a replica of the little Lego flowers, and in fact, I posted these on Etsy months and months ago, and I haven't sold a single one, so maybe this will jumpstart something. But so yeah, I wanted to make my own little Lego flower replica. So I did that, and I tried to replicate it as best I could. Take a few liberties here and there, and then of course, with 3D printing, you can just scale it up and have a nice little thing there. I didn't want to just leave this like that, so I made a little pot for it, and it's got a little indent in there that the little flower just scoops into. So I spent some time on this to make sure that, because I don't want the flowers to just fall out and stuff. I got the tolerances pretty well on this, so things stay put. Let's get things aligned here. So we'll put that in there and see all this stuff stays really nice. And then, of course, with 3D printing, you can just keep scaling things up. So here we go with a big, fat Lego flower. Is that going to hold? Yeah, that's going to hold real well. All right. So Lego flowers. I'll post. Originally, if I'm going to sell things on Etsy, I'm not going to make those files public. They're going to, you're only going to be able to purchase that from me. So, but these aren't selling, at least haven't so far. So I'm going to make an exception here, and I'm probably just going to go ahead and release these STL files to you guys so you can play around with them too. Yeah. Is that all I wanted to say about this? I think that's all I wanted to say. So yeah, little Lego flowers. Legos and 3D printing, these kind of just go hand in hand. I personally think that the Lego Corporation should embrace this 3D printing, industry. There's things they can do to to not butt heads with the community, and embrace it, and we can do great things together. So yeah, I'm gonna put some links down in the description for a place where you can I'll probably put it on printables, where you can download these STLs. I'll put a link to my Etsy shop if you don't want to spend the time to print these, because this is, I don't remember how many hours it took for this, but I believe this is about an 18-hour job, maybe even more than that. It might be a 24-hour print with all the flowers and stuff. On top of this, so, these are kind of neat. It's very, just Lego-ish. So I took another step here and developed these little these little flowers. And they came out just, I just love these things. So let's put these on here. There we go. Last one here. And, you know, I think these are like maybe a little bit more presentable. If you were going to, you know, print this for a Mother's Day gift or something, I think this is much more appeasing than, you know, these little flat little Lego flowered things. So yeah, maybe I will, these flowers actually deserve their own video. And I basically followed another lady's guide on YouTube on how to create these. So instead of just me redoing what she did, I'm going to post a link to her video, and you can design these beautiful little roses yourself. I'll probably post mine on printables too. So yeah, here we go. Lego flowers on 365 Prints. Thanks for hanging out. Have a great day.